In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create different variants on Printful. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to open Printful. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, it's super easy to set one up. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here, we're going to look for something called Product Templates. It's usually located in the menu on the left side. Now that we've navigated to Product Templates, the next step is to click on the Create Product button. This is where the fun begins, as you'll be able to choose from a wide array of products that Printful offers, anything from t-shirts to mugs and even phone cases. Take a moment to think about what product you want to sell. Once you've decided, go ahead and select it. After selecting your product, you will see a button that says Start Designing. Click on that, and you will be directed to the design interface. This is your canvas. Here, you can upload your own design, whether it's a logo, an illustration, or any other artwork you've created. Simply click the Upload button and find your design file on your computer. Once it's uploaded, you can drag it to the desired spot on your product. Make sure you take some time to adjust your design, zoom in or out, and rotate the image if necessary to ensure it looks perfect on the product. Once you're satisfied, look for the Variants section on the same page. This section allows you to customize the options that your customers can choose from. Now, in the Variants section, you'll see options for different colors and sizes. This is crucial, as it helps to cater to your target audience's preferences. Start by selecting the different colors you want to offer. For instance, if you're selling a t-shirt, you might want to provide options like black, white, blue, and red. Just click on the colors to select them. Similarly, select the sizes you'd like to provide, ranging from small to extra large, or any other sizes available for your chosen product. Once you've made your selections, take a moment to ensure that your design is applied correctly to each variant. Sometimes, a design might have different looks on different colored backgrounds, so it's always a good idea to double-check that everything is as you want it. After reviewing your variants, you might find that some options just aren't working for you or are redundant. If there are colors or sizes that you don't want to sell, it's easy to remove them. Just click the option to remove any variant you don't feel fits your vision for this product. Finally, once everything looks good and you're happy with the variants you've created, it's time to save your work. Scroll down and click on Save Product Template. This will save all your selections and design choices, allowing you to return to this product in the future or even create additional products based on this template. And there you have it. You have successfully created different variants for your product on Printful. It's a straightforward process, but one that opens the door to so many creative possibilities. Make sure to use these features to test out different styles and options to find what resonates best with your audience. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it so you can stay updated with all of our future content. Happy selling!